FP Markets Review, Pros, Cons, and Features. FP Markets is a well-known online trading platform that was founded in 2005. It offers many trading assets and is regulated by top authorities. The platform has over 70 currency pairs and more than 10,000 trading instruments. FP Markets supports different account types and has competitive trading costs. It also offers leverage up to 1 to 500 for some accounts. You can easily test FP Markets with a free demo account. Click the link in the description below to open a free account. FP Markets has a daily trading volume of over $1 billion. This shows it's a big player in the market. FP Markets broker has competitive spreads, starting at 0.0 pips. Regulatory compliance and security. FP Markets puts trader safety first. It's regulated by big names such as Australian Securities and Investments Commission, ASIC. Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. Financial Sector Conduct Authority, FSCA. The platform uses top-notch security, like separate client accounts and advanced safety steps. Trading platform and account types. FP Markets has strong trading platforms for everyone. MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, CTrader, mobile trading app, an iOS viewpoint platform with nearly 100 technical indicators to create detailed strategies. These platforms work on Windows, Mac, Android, and the web. Account types and features. There are two main account types. 1. Standard account, spreads start at 1.0 pips with no commission fees. 2. Raw account, spreads start at 0.0 pips with a small commission fee of $3 per lot. You can easily test FP Markets with a free demo account. Click the link in the description below to open a free account. FP Markets Assets. The broker offers access to over 10,000 financial instruments across many asset classes. 72 forex pairs. 29 commodities. 19 indices. 10,000 plus stocks. 12 cryptocurrencies. Advanced trading tools. FP Markets offers a wide range of advanced trading tools, such as AutoChartist and Trading Central, for deep market insights and analysis. Customer support is ready 24/7, helping with any questions or issues. This makes FP Markets stand out in the trading world. Please like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions. Thank you.